Nugget. Dribble by. Out of bounds.
Wala yung mga season 1 na player ah.
Oh, wala. Wala, kulang-kulang.
6 minutes and 41. Wala pinasaan doon. Good ball. Good ball yan mga kaibigan. Good ball.
Si Mikey kasi hindi po basketball yung inaatupag nun eh. Puro babae.
2 points. Jerome Damasco. 5-3 na po para sa team of Pawis.
Puro babae yun eh. Si Mikey.
Speaking of Yuri. Yuri pa rin. Yuri pa rin. Wow. Second team foul. Score 40-35. Lamang ng 5 ang team of Pawis. 40-35. Lamang ng 5 ang team of Pawis. Pero Fernandez, papawi ng rest. Nugget. Rebound by Opina. Opina, load block by Broso. Pero nasave pa rin. Nako ni Francisco. Francisco. Rel pa rin. 2 points. Rel.
Foul.
Knockout pala. 40-35. First team foul by Timba. 15-second shot clock. Well, second shot clock. Derrick libre sa 3. No good. Rebound by Fernandez. Fernandez ang mamadali. Fernandez. Crossover move. Fernandez ang laki niyan. 15 seconds to shoot. Francisco. Short cover ni Francisco. No good. Rebound by Ren. Ren open 3. No good. Rebound by Jerome. Damasco. Layup. No good. And you play 2 points.
Wala yung dalawa, Boss B. Yung mga high flyer kasama ko.
40-37.
Sayang. High flyer.
Jerome. 10 seconds shoot. No good. Pero nakakuha ni Prince. 2 points. Prince. 42-37. 4 minutes and 43. 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Score 42-37. Yuri. Looper. No good. Rebound by Prince. Next game. Team Ingo versus Team Pawis. 2 points. Keneto Pina. 2 points. Francisco. 44-39. Jerome, wala pa rin. Rebound by Yuri. 3 minutes and 58. Steal by Prince. Toyota Suliman, no good. Rebound by Kenneth, 83, no good. Rebound by Kenneth na naman. Kenneth pa rin. Paso Toyota, 83. No good. Pero rebound na ni Fernandez yan. 3 minutes and 33 seconds sa ating final quarter. Fernandez. No good. Rebound by Derrick. Nakakuha pa. Pass to Jerome. Jerome short jumper. 2 points. Jerome Damasco. 46-39.
Ilang minutes yan?
Dalawang quarter yan. 10 minutes. Ngayon, isa na lang, isang umaya.
2 points. Well. 46-41. 5-point lead by Team Pawis. 2 minutes and 58. Prince. Binato. Wala. 14-second shot lang. No good. Rebound by Broso. Napakagandang box out by Broso. Long 3. No good. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. 46-41 lamang pa rin ang